Delicious.
Done filming Nha MIn, and now I'm on my way to Old Quarter. See you there. So the driver just brought me here at the Hoan Kiem Lake, but the thing is, he already left and his helmet is still with me. I don't know how I'm gonna bring it back. I don't know, but man, it's such a beautiful view and beautiful place. Look at the lake. It's just so nice to walk around, and I see people jogging and just walking. Some people bring their kids with strollers. It's just nice to chill in here. Beautiful weather today. It's around 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Oh. Okay, there are teenagers walking by. Okay. For now, I'm just gonna chill here.
You know why they sell?
Why do they sell cotton buds in the street? For ears.
Can
Okay.
you speak slowly?
Why do they sell cotton buds for the ears? The man.
And chewing gum.
Yeah. I see your Western, but I don't know to trả lời là gì?
Can you guys say hi?
Yeah. Hello.
I just met some new friends here at the lake. Your name?
Yeah, my name's Tuan.
Don.
Yeah.
Like D-O-N? Don.
T-U-A-N.
And Andy
Andy.
from New Zealand. Don from Saigon.
Shutter speed.
Photographer.
Shutter speed.
I don't understand. Where are we going, Andy?
We're just going to the top of the Hoan Kiem Lake, and we'll have a look around there, see if there's any good cafes.
Okay, so we're gonna go to a cafe.
Interesting stuff on the way. On Friday nights, they close the traffic off around the lake,
Okay.
just like right there. So you can just walk around without worrying about motorbikes. Like a few hours actually. So it's cool to be here in the weekend because you can just walk around and thousands of people come out.
So we're now walking around the streets of Old Quarter. There's a lot of stalls here, from clothes to bags to different kinds of stuff, and so many restaurants and fruit stalls, all different kinds of things. It's almost 6 o'clock and there's a lot of people here. We are walking through the beer street.
Whoa.
Look at this. There's like resto bars, small resto bars everywhere here. I love the atmosphere, chill vibe here in Hanoi. And I'm overwhelmed with the
It's
people.
overwhelming.
What
Come back in a few hours. It's a lot. This is very
What a scene.
So good.
a bit.
It's just almost 6
Yeah,
p.m.
5:47.
Oh my
Not even
goodness.
5. Not even 6 yet.
Yeah.
So,
Hello, see
hi.
Vietnamese về Good come in, see ya.
Wow.
yeah, a lot more crowded. Like, I don't know, thousands more people here in a few hours.
Hello, somebody coming outside. So good.
Come on.
So good.
Come on. Hi.
So many people so close.
What did you guys
Fine, yeah.
order?
Bacon Banh Mi.
Bacon Banh Mi.
Bánh mì.
Char siu. Char siu.
Char siu. Pork. Okay.
Yeah, pork. Yeah, looks good. Delicious.
It's good.
Not the best. Not the best. I don't know if that belongs in a banh mi, you know. It's not a traditional filling, but not too bad.
What's a traditional filling?
Way more likely you just get different types of meat. Char siu is quite common. Char siu. or
Sausage.
Yeah, egg and sausage. Yeah, those are the big
Pate.
ones. And pate. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't really like the pate. It's not. Yeah. But yeah, egg and sausage. If you get those ones on the street that are up at like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, that's just frying up like egg and sausage banh mi's. It just lasts forever, you know. It's
How
good.
is it, Tuan?
It's good. Very delicious.
One.
Ngon. Yeah.
Okay, so now they're eating, and since I'm still full from the restaurant that I visited earlier, I just ordered the Saigon Beer in Hanoi, as recommended by Andy. So we're here at a banh mi stall along the, what's the name of the street? Hangbom. He knows a lot about Hanoi because he lives here. Bia Saigon has just arrived. How would you describe the taste?
Describe the taste of beer, Saigon. Like the Vietnamese beer is not it's not that strong. It's not that opinionated. It's just beer, you know. It's just pretty easy to drink this stuff. It's like standard. Nothing too special about it.
But
Very
compared
cheap.
to Hanoi beer, why do you prefer Saigon beer?
It just tastes better, honestly.
Okay.
It's more popular all through the country. Beer
Okay.
Saigon. Hanoi is only popular in Hanoi.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, smooth and slight. How many percent? I can see it. Oh, 4.3. Very refreshing, light. Yum.
Đi sơn đây chứ. Nó bảo 40.000. Nó dạ 20.000. Nào ăn đi. Năm mươi nghìn. Nó đi bán rong.
Come on. Hai lắm?
25.
25.
Yeah, 25,000.
Come on. Alright, so I'm just about to leave the banh mi place, but I cannot resist because in front of the banh mi stall, there's a doner kebab place. Really interesting and cheap as well. 25 Vietnamese dong. I got pork kebab. She added lettuce, cabbage, onions, and she just put it in a panini grill. And the pork just bubbling with fat and juices. Looks kind of different because it's in a like a triangular shape. The meat cuts are also big. I cannot wait to try this. Looks really, really good. For its price, let's see the quality. Oh wow, that's very meaty with some bits of fat. It's actually really good. I love the flavor from the lettuce and cabbage, also the texture, crunchy. I think there's also mayonnaise in here. Wow, yum. It's good with beer. I'm definitely coming back here.
It's nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you guys.
See you soon.
Bye. Nice to meet you. Yeah, have fun in Hanoi.
Andy. Bye, Tuan. Finished off with a client meeting, and now we're looking for a place to eat. I hope we can still find one. It's a little late. It's 10 p.m. Let's see.